Hello, my dear students, Namaskara. I am Vinay Nityananda from ICS Mahesh PU College, Dharwad. Now, at the last module, we have dealt some of the methodologies of a preparation of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. In this module, we are going to dealing with physical properties of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. First of all, the reason for the physical properties of alcohols and phenols, that is mainly due to hydroxyl group, I mean OH group. How? The OH group, in that O is more electronegative, the shared bond between O and H leans more towards oxygen atom, therefore oxygen is carrying a delta negative charge, hydrogen is carrying delta positive charge. This is calling as a polarity. This polarity is decides the properties of alcohols and phenols. Some of the properties, first one is a boiling point, in that the boiling points of alcohols and phenols increases with increase in number of carbon atoms. One example, methanol is having lower boiling point than ethanol. This is lower than propanol. How? Methanol containing only one carbon atom, ethanol containing two carbon atoms, propanol containing three carbon atoms. Than one carbon atom, two carbon atom ethanol is having higher boiling point. Than two carbon atom, propanol is having three carbon atom having higher boiling points. Now, one more thing, the boiling point is decreases with increase in branching in carbon chain. In one example, 1-butanol having highest boiling point than isobutyl alcohol, okay, then this one is, okay, greater than tertiary butyl alcohol. How? Okay, this N-butyl alcohol is having four carbon atoms which are aligned in a straight chain. Therefore, it is having higher boiling point. But isobutyl alcohol also having four carbon atoms, but one carbon has branched here. By increasing the branches, boiling point is decreases. Then, in tertiary butyl alcohol, two branches are taken place here, therefore it is having least boiling point than these earlier two. Now, the boiling points of alcohols, phenols are higher in compared to any other organic compounds like hydrocarbons, ethers, haloalkanes, and haloarenes. This is because, okay, there is an intermolecular hydrogen bond has created. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is created due to polarity of the O bond H. Therefore, earlier we told this one only, any property of alcohols, phenols, that is because of the polarity of the O bond H. Let us have some examples here. Let us see, propane, its boiling point is 231 Kelvin. Then N-pentane, its boiling point is 309.1 Kelvin. Then ethoxyethane, it is an ether, its boiling point is 307 Kelvin. Okay, first two are belongs to hydrocarbon and the third one is belongs to ethers. Now butanol, it is an alcohol. Observe its boiling point 390 Kelvin. Compared to these three values, 390 having a huge difference in their boiling points. Now one more alcohol I have taken, ethanol. Ethanol boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Now let us see, ethanol containing two carbon atom, its boiling point is 351 Kelvin. But butanol having four carbon atoms, therefore its boiling point is 390 Kelvin, because by increasing the length of the carbon chain of the alcohol, boiling point increases. Next one more is methoxymethane. It belongs to ether. Its boiling point is 248 Kelvin. Compared to ethanol, okay, it is also having two carbon atom and it is also dimethyl ether also having two carbon atom. But you see how much difference in their boiling point. Now second property is solubility. Solubility means dissolving in the medium of water. The solubility of alcohols and phenols in water is due to their ability to form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Okay, the solubility decreases with increase in size of the alkyl or aryl group, because alkyl or aryl groups are hydrophobic in nature. Thank you.